How to block show on Netflix. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it on your phone. So here we're gonna click on profile picture. Then I'm gonna choose these three horizontal lines in the corner. And next, manage profiles. I'm gonna choose my profile. I'm gonna click on viewing restriction, block titles. And here you're gonna simply enter the show. So I'm gonna choose the show beef, and here we go. Now I can't watch beef anymore. If I wanna remove this, just simply click on this pen and on this X, and that's it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to do it on your PC or web version. So click on your profile picture, then manage profiles. Next, I'm gonna choose my profile. Under the section maturity settings, click edit. Here we need to log in. Click continue. And then I'm gonna enter here my title, Beef 2023. Let's go. Click save. Viewing restrictions saved. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you.